Hello, welcome to my presentation, Ketogenic or Keto Diet Explained, presented by Sean Bourne. What is a ketogenic or keto diet? The ketogenic diet is also known as the keto diet. It's a very low carb, high fat, and moderate protein diet that involves significantly reducing carbohydrate intake and replacing it with fat. The reduction in carbohydrates put your body into a metabolic state called ketosis. When your body is in ketosis, it becomes efficient at burning fat for energy. The keto diet can significantly reduce blood sugar and insulin levels, which has numerous health benefits. Research has shown that low-carb keto diets can aid weight loss. Keto diet: food 75% fat, food 20% protein, carbs 5%. Here is how the keto diet aids weight loss. 1. Restrict carbs. Reducing your carb intake limits your food options. This can reduce calorie intake, which is vital for weight loss. 2. Appetite suppressant. Keto diet help you feel full. 3. Fat burning. Keto diet can significantly increase the amount of fat you burn during your daily activity, exercise, and rest. 4. Improve insulin sensitivity. Keto diet can significantly improve insulin sensitivity, which will lead to improved fuel utilization and metabolism. Some diseases a keto diet can improve or eliminate. Here are some diseases a keto diet can help improve or eliminate. 1. High blood pressure. 2. Belly fat. 3. Cholesterol levels. 4. High blood sugar levels. Foods to eat on a keto diet. 1. Fish. Consume salmon, sardines, mackerel, and other fatty fish. They are very high in omega-3 fats. 2. Low-carb vegetables. Low-carb veggies like kale, spinach, broccoli, and cauliflower. 3. Avocados are a very healthy fat to eat. 4. Cheese is nutritious and are very low in carb and high in fat. 5. Eggs are a healthy food. They contain less than 1 gram of carbs and less than 6 grams of protein. 6. Meat and poultry. Fresh meat and poultry contain no carbs and have several minerals. 7. Berries are low in carb and high in fiber. Most other fruits are excluded, are too high in carbs. 8. Nuts and seeds. These include almond, walnut, chia seeds, and flax seeds. Conclusion: the keto diet is backed by findings and research that show it is effective at burning fat and therefore aid weight loss by lowering carb intake and using fat as the main source of fuel for the body. It is clear that the keto diet is a successful weight loss diet program that can be used to burn fat, lose weight, and improve one's health. A keto diet is most suitable for those who are obese, trying to lose weight, and belly fat. To get the most of a keto diet, you must eat high-fat foods and restrict your carb intake to fewer than 30 to 50 grams per day. Give this video a like, share, subscribe, and check the links in the description.